The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.
Welcome back. There's a way to up your skincare routine and turn back time. Here to tell us about Moxi and how it works is a leader in the anti-aging space, age management specialist, Tammy Oberbreckling with Tampa Bay Total Wellness. It's so good to see you.
You too, Gail.
So tell me about Moxi. What is it? How does it work?
So Moxi is a laser. So we have ablative lasers where it takes off the whole surface of your skin. There's a lot of downtime, and now we have a non-ablative laser called Moxi that will prejuvenate your skin.
So when you say prejuvenate, what does that mean?
So it's fascinating. So it'll burn these micro channels into the skin. Those will be called mends when they come off, and those micro channels cause the body to reheal itself. And when it does that, it brings collagen, gets rid of fine lines, wrinkles, firms up the skin, and reverses the process of sun damage.
Now, how comfortable is the Moxi treatment? Because that's what a lot of men and women want to know.
So there are procedures that aren't comfortable.
Right,
like
I've had them.
You buy a package and you never go back.
Exactly.
So this is not like that. So we use numbing cream. Usually that's all people need, and just a fan to chill the skin. And you may feel like you have a sunburn for about an hour, but by the next day you're back to wearing makeup and your old self.
So there's not a lot of downtime at all from what you're saying?
Nope, you just might appear red the next day.
And how long does it take to see results?
3 to 5 days. Those mends we talked about will actually come to the surface, darken. Your skin will feel rough, almost like you have whiskers, and then they'll slough off, and then you'll have your new beautiful skin.
Is there any post-care that patients need to take?
We ask them to wear a moisturizing sunscreen and stay out of the sun a week prior and a week after.
Okay, and how many treatments would a person need?
So it really depends on your consult and what we're trying to obtain. The initial time you may need 3 to 4 treatments just to get to the skin to the baseline. But a lot of people are using the Moxi 2 to 3 times a year just to keep their skin from aging.
Yeah, and I think more and more people are looking for these types of solutions. And then, of course, you're bringing in the latest and greatest when it comes to technology. But if you stay on top of this treatment protocol, it'll stave off having to do something way more invasive.
Correct, and we do the more invasive lasers. We have all of them, and we found a need for a laser that was kind of in between, where somebody could get the results of a big ablative laser without having the downtime, and that's where Moxi falls in.
Yeah, because an ablative laser, you're down for quite a while.
5 days to 21 days, depending on how aggressive we treat you.
And this one is you're back at work in your regular makeup the next day.
Yes.
And then you say the sloughing happens about 5 days into it.
It does, but people don't notice that you have this roughness to the skin. It's more yourself. You'll feel your skin, but it's not visible. It's easily covered with makeup.
Okay, that's really good to know. Well, you guys are the leaders in anti-aging here in the Tampa Bay area. I know this is just one of the many treatment options that you guys have available.
Yes.
All right, Tammy, it's such a pleasure to see you. Thank you for joining us.
You're welcome, Gail.
All right, call Tampa Bay Total Wellness at 813-609-4150 or 1-888-8AgeWell for a Bloom special offer. Get a BBL Hero plus Moxi for just $550 when you mention Bloom TV. That's an $1,100 value. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Tampa Bay Total Wellness.